Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the PR Newswire scraper by ParseForge on Apify. It automatically collects press release data from the prnewswire.com. This actor lets you monitor press releases by keyword and optional filters like date, industry, or company name. It collects full press release content along with company details, contact information, and media assets, all in a structured dataset. So, how does it work? The only required field is the keyword. So, let's say you want to research about topic like artificial intelligence. You can insert a date from and a date to. Remember to insert it in this format. You can also insert an industry. Here's some examples like technology, healthcare, financial services, as well as a company name like Microsoft Corporation or Apple Inc. And then we select the max number of items. Let's choose 15. If you don't input any data from this, it'll grab the 15 most recent. Now we hit run. And we let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one press release, and you'll get info like the title, headline, the press release URL, the date it was published, industry, location. You'll get a summary and the full text, plus any contact information. You'll also get images or videos and documents if they're available, and the data was scraped. You can also export all of this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, useful for data analysis. So, if you're in need of press release research, our PR Newswire scraper will automate daily collection of detailed press release data really easily. It's designed for journalists, researchers, PR professionals, and market analysts. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.